What is up, you guys? Today, well, first of all, as you can see, got a new shift knob. This has like a little gap right here, which bothers me. I bought a little shift knob boot holder, but it doesn't fit, so I'm gonna find a new alternative for that. But I got something in the mail. I got this Bride shift boot cover, so we're gonna be installing this here today. Yeah, it should be relatively simple. The Hello Horn video is coming soon. Been kind of slacking on that, but been busy with the holidays and everything. So yeah, let's get started with the shift boot. Alright, so step one, it's a little dark in here so I know you guys can't see, but inside of your little compartment right here, there's two screws. You just gotta unscrew those really quick, and once that is done, you're gonna go inside of here, kind of move this around, feel for it, and you kind of pop this off, and there's gonna be two screws inside of here as well. So yeah, get that done and then move on to the next step. Alright, as you can see, once it'll focus, got this guy off right here. The screw was right here. Pretty much just pop this off like that, unscrewed that one screw, just sitting in there now, and then I kind of just pop this off, just pushed it back a little bit. It's fairly simple to do. Then kind of just pop this up right here, and then it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you're gonna pull, pretty much pop and pull, and it's gonna come undone. And then once you finish that, I'll show you what to do next. Alright, as you can see, just popped it off really quick. Then once you flip this guy over, you see right here it's got all these little prongs, I guess you can say, clips. Kind of just push those out a little bit. Be careful, try not to bust them. And yeah, once you do all that, as you can tell, it's fairly simple. I just did it with one hand. There we go. And you got your shift boot right here. So these clips play a pretty important factor. Now you could take off this whole boot. I know some companies, their shift boots make it so the grooves already are in here, and you can kind of just put it over as this fake leather one. But I think I'm just gonna do exactly that. Kind of slide this guy right over it, just because it doesn't have the grooves or anything. So if I slide it over, I can still kind of use the grooves. So yeah, I'm gonna get that all situated and then show you guys how it looks when it's done. Alright, and it is all done. Let me know what you guys think of it. It's just like a little cosmetic thing, I guess. I'm not sure how I feel about the neochrome and the red though. I don't know if this is gonna change or what, but I like this red shift boot. I like how it is, kind of complements the little red on the seats, and just like the Subi red. So yeah, quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said before, that other video's coming soon, I promise, but apologize for the long wait. Yeah, anyway guys, hope you guys have a great Christmas, great holidays, whatever you celebrate. Yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and comment button. If you want more videos like this, hit the notification button so you get updated when I do upload a video. Anyway guys, have a great day. Peace.